Mabuhay, Philippine Airlines welcomes you to General Santos. The local time is 38 minutes past the hour of 3 in the afternoon, and the date today is January 10, 2025, on a Friday. Remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the seatbelt sign is switched off. For an orderly manner of disembarkation, passengers must remain seated and await instructions for deplaning. We shall commence passenger deplaning as soon as we receive clearance to do so. May we remind you to take precautions when opening the overhead stowage bins to retrieve your items, as this may have shifted during the flight. For passengers who need assistance, please